Hello guys, this is KOK Party Favors. Right now I am designing a piece of vinyl to apply to a candle holder. So we are in Cricut Design Space now, and this is the text that I want to use, the heart symbol, then Hello Gorgeous. So what I'm going to do is I have my iridescent vinyl already applied to my mat. So I am going to put that in my Cricut machine, and I'm going to cut it. Okay, I'm going to cut it. I'm going to go make it. Okay, our cut is finished. So now we're going to get it off the machine, and we are going to weed it on my light board here. You have to be really careful when you're weeding. Okay, so as I'm going to start cutting off the excess to get it out of my way. So far I have the heart done. I have it cleared. Okay, I'll leave it like that. Okay guys, so this is the after process for the weeding. Okay, we have our weeding done. I'm gonna cut off my light board. And now we're going to get to getting it on the transfer paper. Okay, I have it sized already. So we're going to remove the backing from the transfer paper, and we're going to just adhere it, transfer paper, to our design. Okay, so this is what we have. Cut off the excess here. And because of the way this holder is made, I'm going to go ahead and cut the heart and put it first. Because the way the glass is made, there is a curve here at the top, and then around at the bottom you can see there is some shape there too. So anything that's not flat is going to require a lot of maneuvering to get it to stick. So I'm going to do the heart first, then I'm going to put the text on there. Okay. Okay, so I pulled my heart off. Okay, so that's the heart, and I'm going to put it right at the top, right in this little crease here. And I'm going to cut the paper because there's a curve, and we're going to have to get it, that curve. So we're going to cut the paper to help it stretch to the shape of the glass. Okay. So we're going to get some little cuts so we can get some more flexibility in this transfer paper, okay? So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to first take it and try and straighten it. It's already adhered. So I'm going to rub that out. So we're laying it flat on the glass and we're just rubbing it so that our image will adhere to the glass. You can also use, I use this as well. Okay, and I'm going to remove the tape to see if it's going to, okay, look like it's adhered, guys. Good job. So we got the heart on. It's beautiful. The iridescent is really gorgeous. All right, that part went easy. All right, now we're going to try our text, okay? That may give us a little bit more problems. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and give this a good rub, and hopefully we won't have any problems getting our text adhered. All right, so we're going to remove our backing. Okay, so we have our Hello Gorgeous. Now we're going to see if we can get it on our glass, center it with the heart. Apply a little pressure here. Hopefully we can get this to adhere without any problems. I'm gonna have to get under that ridge there. All right, so we're gonna try pulling it from the corner here and see if anything is adhering. All right, guys, it came off really well. That's beautiful. And what I plan to use it for, I'm going to put me some little sequins in here, and I'm going to have it as a little ink pen holder. That's going to be my plan for this beauty. Okay, and I'm going to put in my beautiful ink pens here. It's so beautiful. Hello Gorgeous. I love it. All right, guys, that's the end of this Cricut Design Space tutorial using vinyl, and I will see you guys in the next video.